Ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy jong ka Sarkar Jilla da ka jinge terelang jong ka Ministry of Science and Technology bar ka Department of Science and Technology New Delhi menta ka singi kala Pynlong ya ka program State Level Exhibition for Inspire Awardees Arajar Arpoi ha Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guide State Headquarter ha Shillong. Kajing temu jong ka ni ka program kalong ban penslur iki samla puli ke badan kasap banle yaki kam ke ba khampala bat kham kerpang hak ba enla pat ban pentre kam yaki kani ka exhibition kal ailat yaki nang yeshim benta bakila ban nang kiu shadu ka national level dan bon ki jing bentoy na ka benta kitu ki ba shajit hak ba kila ban lechim benta haki wei pat ki lempung jong ka perthai
participating in this very important program from the government of India, which is being conducted by the National Innovation Foundation in cooperation with the Ministry of Science and Technology. But then, because of these difficult times, the pandemic has not been over, and somebody is talking about third wave. So maybe because of these various reasons and difficulties, the number of participating students from the various schools in the state. I think this must have been done at district level. That is a district level competition. 5 of these students were supposed to be with us today, have not been able to do so, and that's why they have taken the decision to reconduct this competition online. Now we are living in the age of science and technology. I think there is no aspect of our life which is not touched and influenced by science. The last century has been a century of incredible inventions, incredible advancement in science and technology. And we are now in the next century, 21st century. And more of the things are yet to come. And all these things have been with the sole idea of making human life easy, making human life better. And that is why, you see, when we talk about the advancement and the various achievements that we have been able to achieve by the men and women of science all across the globe. We cannot help but reflect on the change that these advancement and inventions have brought into human society. So we don't have to really talk about it, but then we have seen how we have progressed from the times of these laws throughout the manually operated valve and bombs. Now we have reached an age where we have automated cars with speed. We can travel in the air, we can travel across the ocean with these vehicles, with these ships, with these nuclear power machines that can reach a speed which is nearly equal to the speed of sound.
A state level exhibition for Inspire Awards Manak. So Inspire Awards Manak, it is a program that is jointly executed by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India and National Innovation Foundation India. So under this award, students from class 6 to class 10 can participate, and we're looking for innovative ideas. So students with innovative ideas, they can submit their ideas, and the teachers can register the schools online, and ideas can be nominated online. So once the ideas are nominated online, there will be a selection process. So district level competition will be there. And if a student is selected at the district level, he or she will receive a sum of rupees 10,000 each. So with that money, they can build model of the idea. and after that there will be a state level exhibition. So at this state level exhibition, if a student is selected, then we will give mentoring workshops. So we're preparing them to go to the national level before they go to the national level. So, and at this stage also, students can also apply for more funding if they need to improve the models. So at this stage, during the mentoring workshop, we we invite experts from different institutes to refine the projects, to refine the models and prototypes. So these students, they will go to the national level, and top 60 ideas from all over the country will be selected. So these top 60 ideas will be awarded, and apart from winning award, they will also get the opportunity to visit Japan. We have this student exchange program that is called Sakura Student Exchange Program with the government of Japan. So they'll get this opportunity. Apart from this, they'll also get opportunities of participating in ASEAN, and then Festival of Innovation and Entrepreneurship that we organize every year. And during this festival, they will get the opportunity to exhibit their ideas as well, and they may also get opportunity to become to be in resident scholars at at the residence of the President of India. And apart from all these opportunities, if the student's idea is unique, then later it may be considered for making it into a product. So this product, once it is made, patenting will be done at our cost also, and later on we'll be helping in marketing as well. So I would like to stress on the importance of this program. This is a very good platform for the students from class 6 to class 10. So anyone with ideas, anyone with unique ideas can participate. It doesn't have to be necessarily based on those science projects. So anything that is unique, anything that is innovative, they can participate.